As Nurses Week is observed internationally in recognizing their work, iAfrica TV engaged an award-winning nurse at the Bundung Maternal and Child Health Hospital. Maribas Gomez, a midwife and head of the Reproductive and Child Health Unit, expressed her feelings for their work being recognized in the Gambia. Amanda Falls in this report.
International Nurse Week is an opportunity to go beyond to appreciate the nurses around you. The Nurse Week was observed from 11 to 16 October in celebration of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. In January 1974, the International Council of Nurses proclaimed that May 12 would be International Nurse Day as it marks the birthday of Florence. An award-winning nurse, Maribas Gomez, highlighted the role of nurses in the society.
Gambia needs to celebrate the nurses. We form the majority of the healthcare workforce. We form the majority. You come in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, you meet a nurse on the ground who's able to help. And Gambia cannot but celebrate the nurses. We have doctors that are doing amazing things, but prior to even having a medical school, it's the nurses that have been upholding our health sector. So they cannot be ignored. They should not be ignored. They should be recognized for the services they are rendering. Even in the remotest place, you would find a nurse serving there. We are happy that people are seeing the little things that we are doing to make a difference. And it's also a challenge to continue doing what we are doing or look at areas we are not doing well in and work towards improving those.
Mari also outlined the ratio of health professionals per certain number of population in the Gambia.
I read a couple of days ago a study that was conducted by some students from Harvard on the maternal mortality issue. Yes. So, and they identified that the ratio of health professionals to per 10,000 population, according to WHO, should be 23 health professionals per 10,000 population. It will shock you to know that in Gambia, it's 8.3 per 10,000. So the gap is huge. So you have a very skeletal staff doing the work that many other people should be doing, yet they are not paid for those extra things that they do.
However, Madam Gomez expressed her feelings on her recent award on midwifery services in the country from the United Nations Population Fund.
It was a surprise. It's nothing I saw coming. UNFPA came and they awarded me for outstanding midwifery services in the country. I am very grateful to God Almighty and also to everyone that is behind the awards. I would like to encourage every nurse to hold on. It's a tough battle. It's a tough fight, especially for those of us living in this part of the world where we are resource constrained.
The theme for Nurses Week 2021 is Frontline Warriors, as nurses and other medical workers continue to work on the front line of the pandemic, providing support to millions of patients. Healthcare workers have always been incredibly valuable, although not always fully appreciated, but never has that been more so than the past year as the world battles a global pandemic. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Amindao.